Hi guys, I am playing the same game, and my friend this time. I'm different game, and but I have played it before, and if you want to friends, if you play Roblox, if you play a friend request, and then that will be me, and then you can I hope you do like this video, and this will today, and I hope you do like this. Doing some other videos at once, but not today. I don't want to waste my time just making 15 trillion videos. They'll just be wasting time, so I don't want to do other stuff today. So let's get straight into this. And ignore Oliver in this video. And I'm bad at this game, but I just want to play it. So subscribe, hit notification bell, and the video. And I like this video, so let's start. I am going on a different game now, so I left by accident. And I don't know what game my friend's playing, but we're going on it.
Breakfast is done, darling.
So, bye, and I hope you like this video. Bye.